Today we will do the histology of the cycon. Histology of the body wall of the cycon. Earlier, yesterday, we have done the what is habitats and general structure of the cycon, and then the canal system of the cycon. Today we will do the histology of the membranes or histology of the cycons. Yesterday we have seen two outer layer, that is called the dermal layer, or पिनेकोसिटिक लेयर, ठीक है, which is equivalent to ectoderm of the higher individuals. Higher animals ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ectoderm ਤਿੰਨ layers ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨਾ, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Its endoderm, first is ectoderm clear होगी, then is its endoderm, that is cyanosite, cyanosite. Cyanosite layer, or in between the two mesoderm, that is called the mesohyl or mesoglea. Its name is mesoglea. Mesohyl and mesoglea. Now the outer derm, which is made up of pinacocyte cells, these are the structure of the pinacocyte cells. They are present on the, this is cycon, or which there are present number of pores. That is one incurrent canal and another is excurrent canal. In outside there is that is made up of pinacocyte or dermal layer heavily. Here are present the pinacocytes cells, and secondly they also form the incurrent canal. Even an incurrent canal, that is also made up of pinacocyte cells. Clear? And this is the radial canal. This radial canal is made up of cyanocytic cells, या cyanocytes. Now clear? Excurrent canal, that also made up of pinacoderm cells. कल कीतियां सी ना आपां, केड़ी केड़ी बाहर वाली लेयर डर्मल ऑस्टिया जिहदे विच प्रेजेंट है, then is the incurrent canal, that is again made up of pinacocytes. Dermal layer, outer layer, that is also made up of pinacocytes. Incurrent canal भी, dermal layer भी, and excurrent canal also. These three are made up of only pinacoderms. In the radial canal, here is the radial canal, it is made up of cyanocytes. They are the cyanocyte cells. They are of this shape. कल वाली अपनी डायग्राम च देखो, और in between the two there is present the, कल वाली डायग्राम बनाई है ना कैनाल सिस्टम, डिटेल्ड स्ट्रक्चर बनाई सी कल, ठीक है, that there you can see the dermal ostia, that is also made up of pinacocyte, incurrent canal, ochvi, and then excurrent canal, they are all made up of pinacocytes, and chianocytes, they are present in the radial canal. Now the structure of pinacocyte is like this. It is a spindle shaped, broadest in the center, and on its down inner side there is one bulging of the round structure, that is this one. Total structure is this is these its ends, they are spindle shaped, and in the center there is present a round structure, ठीक है, and that contain the nucleus and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is all there, but here is in this round structure there is present the nucleus. So it's all membranes, they are made up of such type of cells. Clear है? Except at the pores, क्योंकि पोर तो एक खाली जगह है, उत्थे थोड़ी होने हैं. And they are also present in the osculum. It is the osculum. It is also present osculum de आले दुआले. In the osculum, they are present modified into a special type of cells. They are called the myocytes. Myocytes. As its name indicate, myo means related with the muscles. Near the osculum there are present the myocytes. Clear है? These myocytes they are mostly present in the, they are the curved, spindle shaped, and in the center they have the nucleus. Their function is to the function of the muscles. जिस तरह साडे शरीर दे अंदर मसल्स काम करते हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, बोलना, मैं बोलती पई हाँ, मूँह खुलता पिया है, या साड़ियाँ अखां बंद होंदियां खुलदियां, these all activities, जिस तरह मेरी हाथ है चलते पे, these all activities done by the muscle cells. ठीक है? So they are present, these such type of myocytes, they are present around the maximum around the osculum. क्यों? ताकि ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ पानी अंदर ना जावे, ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ बाहर निकले. The function of osculum is to move the water outside, not inside. पानी इधरों अंदर नहीं आंदा, पानी इधरों की होंदा है बाहर जाता है. और पानी अंदर कित्थों आंदा है? Pores. These pores, dermal ostias. These myocytes also present in the dermal ostia and also present around the apopyle. Apopyle की है? रेडियल कैनाल तो एक्सकरेंट कैनाल च जिहड़ा पानी जाता है जिहदे थ्रू, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द प्रोसो एपोपाइल. That is called the apopyle. These myocytes, because they prevent the entering of the water and moving out of the water by controlling system. यानी कि बेसहाबा पानी अंदर आई जाए, बेसहाबा बाहर जाए. These all activities, they are controlled under the body of the cyclone by the myocytes. This is clear. Next is chianocyte, chianocytic layer. Second layer केड़े वाली? Radial canal, which is closed outside and open the inside, which is open into the excurrent canal and then spongiocele. Now this layer, pinacocytic layer that is thick at the region of radial canal. At the point of radial canal, this pinacocytic or mesohyal layer, they are the thicker ones as compared to other portion. Hanji. Now this canocytic cells, they are present in the radial canal. ये आ गई ना इनकरेंट कैनाल, ये की आ गई रेडियल कैनाल. In the radial canal, they contain such type of canocytic cells. इन्होंने canocytic cells क्यों कहने हैं? Because there is present collar like structure. There is a round cell, oval round cell which is embedded in the mesohyal, और this portion is, जिस तरह मान लो ए रेडियल कैनाल है, ध्यान नाल देखना, ये इस तरह प्रेजेंट होंगे. कल वाली डायग्राम तो देखो, दे आर लाइक दिस. दिस कॉलर पोर्शन इज टूवर्ड द cavity site and this portion is embedded in the mesohyal or mesoglea. Clear है? ये वाला कादे वास्ते सेंटर वाले पासे होंदा? Because there is movement of the, there is flagella ने की करना है? मूवमेंट करके पानी नू एक जगह तो दूसरी जगह ते भेजना है. ठीक है? दैट इज टूवर्ड द कैविटी. दिस साइड विच इज राउंड इन स्ट्रक्चर दैट कंटेन ए न्यूक्लियस इन इट एंड नंबर ऑफ वैक्यूल्स along with cytoplasm, and just above the nucleus there is present parabasal bodies from where the flagella arises. The function of flagella is to move the water from back side to front side. ठीक है? ये देखो स्ट्रक्चर, सेल, मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियस, पैराबेसल बॉडी, साइटोप्लाज्म, सेंट्रियोल्स. ए जिथे इहदे विच एंटर करदा है centrioles, phosphoplasts, and then there arises a thread like structure that is called the flagella, or this portion where the flagella is there, that is called the collar. There is present collars. This collar portion, जिस तरह मैं दस्सिया ही है तुहानू कि it is faces toward the radial कैनाल. इस तरह करके दे आर प्रेजेंट लाइक दिस. देन इन बिटवीन द टू, ए देखो, इन बिटवीन द टू देयर इज प्रेजेंट, जिस तरह पिनेकोसाइट और क्यानोसाइट, उन्होंने विचकार की प्रेजेंट होंदी है? देयर इज प्रेजेंट मीजोहाइल. मीजोहाइल जड़े मैं बोली है. दिस मीजोहाइल लेयर दैट इज नॉट मेड अप ऑफ सेल लेयर्स, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ जेली लाइक सब्सटेंसेस. ठीक है? दैट इज नॉट ए सॉलिड लेयर, सो दैट इज नॉट मेड अप ऑफ cells. It contain a jelly like substance that is called the matrix, that contain the collagen fibers. Collagen fibers, they contain number of collagen fibers. Collagen fibers क्यों होंदे? इस तरह thread like structures, जिस तरह साढ़े च भी होंदे है. ए स्किन आपां कीती, खिंची, फिर वापस चली गई ना, इलास्टिन फाइबर्स. नेक्स्ट इज Second, ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ there are present number of cells which you can see drawn in the blackboard, number of type of cells. And third one is spicules, which are this shape, spindle shaped spicules, which are made up of calcium, which is made up of calcium, or they are spindle shaped. Monoaxon, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ? Monoaxon. Then tridentite, then quadrate, चार, जिन्हां दियां एक दो होंदियां मतलब एक हुंदे आ, मोनो ट्राई तीन होंदियां जिन्हां दियां, एंड क्वाड्रेट जिन्हां दियां चार होंदियां। मैं डिटेल च कराने नहीं, ठीक है। थ्री मेन स्ट्रक्चर्स विच इज़ mesohyl is made up of three structures. One is the liquid, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ present है? Collagen fibers, and then number of cells, and then there is present spicules. लिख लो तीनों चीज़ां, they contain the three type of cells. और this mesohyl that is also just below the किधे नीचे present होंदी है? That is present just below the dermal ostia, dermal layer है ना, dermal केड़ी layer है? Pinacocyte वाली, ओदे नीचे होंदे है। And in the radial canal, in the radial canal they are thick, and in the nearby the dermal layer or pinacocyte layer they are thin, and in case of radial canal मोटे होंदे, ਉਹਦੇ ਚ काफ़ी ज़्यादा present होंदे, because that contain the number of cells. There are present the pseudopodia cells. जिन्ने भी cells है they are of pseudopodia cells या amoeboid cells. क्यों कहने ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ amoeboid cells? Because they are amoeba like, हाँ, their shape is amoeba like. ਹੁਣ amoeba like की मतलब हो गया which contain the pseudopodia, which contain pseudopodia. So first is the amoebocyte cells. There are present amoebocyte cells. These are all amoebocytes. First is collinocytes, Avila. Collinocytes. These have the number of, there is present cells, and they have number of, देखो anastomosis. एक दूसरे दे नाल इस तरह जुड़े दे है सेल्स, ठीक है। दैट गिव्स द स्ट्रेंथन टू द mesohyl, ठीक है। ਉਹਦੀ अपना एक सख्त बनया रवे, और these are called the pseudopodias. ਇਹਦਾ फंक्शन पता लग गया? they give the strengthen to the mesohyl. Second is chromocytes. They are again round, and they contain the pseudopodia on one side. Pseudopodia is a finger like, or in the center there is present nucleus. What is the meaning of this chromocytes? They impart the color to the साइकोन. जिस तरह साढ़े कलर है ना, असी अलग अलग जानवर देखने हैं, उन्होंने अलग अलग कलर्स होंगे हैं. दैट इज ड्यू टू पिगमेंटेटेड सेल्स. दे आल्सो कंटेन द पिगमेंट्स. लिखे था ना पिगमेंट ग्रैन्यूल्स विच इम्पार्ट द कलर टू द साइकोन, जड़ा ग्रेइश जा कलर है. देन द ट्रोफोसाइट्स. These trophocytes, they contain the pseudopodia. on one side, or they contain food vacuoles, और food vacuole सानू पता है that contain the food in it. Food vacuoles का मतलब यह है ना जिदे विच की present है food, और then इसका मतलब है कि खाना जड़ा है वो पचदा किदे अंदर है, trophocytes, and the food is digested in the trophocytes and absorbed in the or stored in the trophocytes. Then is the thymocytes. What is thymocyte structure? It is again a amoeboid cell, or nucleus is there. There is present glycogen. जो साडा liver काम करता है, liver का काम की है to store the food in the form of glycogen. Here again the food which is digested or absorbed by these cells, these trophocytes, and assimilation. First step on the intake, then is digestion. Then is digestion means complex food change into simple form. Then this food is absorbed, then is assimilate, or then this food is stored in the form of glycogen in the thymocyte cells. Thyso बोलो किहड़े cells है? Thymocyte cells. इस तो पहला आपां किहड़ा कीता है? Trophocytes. उस तो पहला and collagocytes. These collagocytes also form the collagen fibers. They also form the collagen fibers. Clear है? Then is phagocytes. This phagocytes, as name indicate, this is again a amoeboid cell and contains cytoplasm in it and nucleus in the center. There is, what is the function of this? They engulf the foreign particles. मतलब कोई भी इन्हां ते अटैक करन आया तो उन्होंने पकड़ लेंगे. Secondly, अपना कोई साइकोन दा अपना कोई पार्ट जड़ा है that is destroyed, that tissue is engulfed by the phagocyte cells. There is next also cell which is a very important cell, that is called archaeocyte. What is the function of this? This is again amoeboid cells, or they contain inclusion लिखा है. These cells, they formed from the cyanocide cell and change into this structure, and they form a gametes. They form a gametes means egg and sperms. They are formed from this cell. And secondly, they can also form the any type of cell. The cells, जिन्ने भी आप cell पढ़े हैं ना, it can form the all type of cells. So it is called totipotent cell. की मतलब totipotent cell की हुंदा वा? The cell who have capacity to form all type of cells. लिख लो. O cell which can forms the all type of cells, that is called the totipotent cell. Or they are porocytes. There are present ostiums. This is the round cell which contain pore on both the sides. That's why it is called the porocytes. As name indicate, porocytes, they are present around the pores. चाहे dermal osti है, चाहे gastral osti है, चाहे apopyle है, चाहे prosopyle है, चाहे osculum है. Then is the last, that is the granular cells. These glandular cells, these are the glandular cells which produce the secretions. They are round in shape. On the one side there is extension of the dermal layer. ठीक है, ਇਹ ਅਮੀਬਾ ਲਾਈਕ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਐਕਸਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਨਿਕਲੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਔਰ that is jointed with the this horizontal portion. Or the function of this, as name indicate, glandular cells, they produce secretions. Secretions किस तरह, जिस तरह साढ़े मुँह च थुक आती है, that is a one type of secretions. अपने नक च secretions आती हैं, that is another type of secretions. पसीना आंदा वै, that is one type of secretions. Oil आंदा वै, that is another type of secretions. They produce the glandular cells, they produce the secretions. Then in next is scleroblast. They are again amoeboid but little bit elongated, or they contain the nucleus. The function of this nucleus is, the function of this scleroblast cell which contain the nucleus, that is called the, they form the spicules. They form the spicules. These all things, that is clear. Anything do you want to know? Clear? Then it's